What's going on, guys? You know, this is Felix. So today we're getting my Miata straight pipes, and then for Thomas's car, technically straight piping his. People in the way. How you feel about your car?
I'm fucking ready, yo. It's been a good minute. I never heard my car loud, so
That thing. We're gonna see how loud it gets. So we're not gonna do it because we suck at that kind of shit. We don't have any welders or anything. So stay tuned for how it looks and how it sounds. Chilling at the muffin shop. Hey Thomas. Ready for them quad tips?
oh yeah, shit.
Sexy.
Light.
Ooh.
Oh no. Versus that.
Muffler junkyard, guys. Muffler junkyard. This is old, baby. This is fat shit.
I'm gonna sit in that chair. They put that in my back seat.
Should have eat your booty up. She got AIDS.
Imagine you had a set move like.
Boy, looking bad as fuck. I think I see them dual exhaust in there. Looking sexy. How do you feel, fam?
I feel good.
Just give us the nostril. She's next. She's next. Oh yeah. Ooh.
Okay.
I like that. Watch out, Thomas. So, we got this old piece of shit up. And we're putting that pipe in there. Need to clean up on it. But we're straight piping it, so it's happening. Piece of shit. New shit. Piece of shit. New shit. So far, this car is coming out good. Got her over there. So we got a full straight pipe, guys. Too tall.
That's it. So easy to do.
It's clean. Wide body. That just scared the fuck out of me. It's echoing. This is loud. Whoa.
That is loud, yo.